Hello again. Today, we're on our last day of Valentine's Day nail art with regular polishes. We've done clear Valentine's Day art. We've done blue Valentine's Day art. I should have just painted my nails blue and then put Ryan Gosling's face on it. We are going to be opening day 8 and 9. That's right. We're mixing colors again today. Day 8. Let's just open this. I don't know what I'm doing anymore. Day 8. What are you? This is called Heaven Sent. Oh, hey. Okay, this looks really neat. Weird chunkies in it. This is the coolest glitter. I don't know if you can see it. You might have to wait till we zoom into my nails, but this is kind of like a toffee beige color, and it's pearlescent, and then it's got kind of chunkier rose gold glitter in it, and it looks so pretty. Oh my god. Heaven Sent. I guess it would be what I'd imagine an angel's wings look like. It's beautiful. Whatever is in day 9, we're going to be putting it with this Heaven Sent color that is absolutely heavenly. Day 9 is this gonna look good together? It's called The Antidote, and it's kind of like a burgundy, like a purpley red, which is what a burgundy is. Yeah, so we're gonna put these colors together and come up with some really pretty Valentine's Day nails. And they're gonna be super good.